Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Hui, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for BTS's album B. So if I knew one thing going into this spread, it was that it was gonna have to be a Dutch store spread. I almost always do Dutch store spreads for album spreads anyway because I talk about every single song and I have a lot to say, but this one, I had so much to say and I knew I was going to want to document all of it. So I wanted to do a Dutch door spread, but I didn't want to do like my typical Dutch door spread or one that's like exactly what I've done before. So what I wanted to do was sort of make this like pretty collage kind of deal in the very center and then cut out around that entire collage, if that makes sense, where like normally I'll have like one center picture or something and I'll cut out around that, and then there's other pictures on the other pages, but this time I wanted the whole door to be the collage, if that makes sense. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I did the one concept photo that's like everybody, and then I did cutouts of Tae and Jungkook, because they're my biases, I guess, and also I just like those photos. And then I did some more cutouts, and I also did some like Polaroid looking pictures, just and included, every member. So here you can really see what I meant about cutting out the entire collage to be like the Dutch door spread. So I'm cutting out on both pages, and of course not cutting the middle part where it folds, so that then all of the writing and stuff can be behind those doors. So on the back of the left flap, I did a track list, and then literally the rest of the spread is just writing. I had so much to say. I was so excited for this album because BTS said that they were so excited to share it with us, and they were so heavily involved in the making of it, like even more than usual. And actually, I already tried to film this voiceover once, and I started getting really emotional, so I had to take a moment and re-record. I actually asked my boss to switch my day off off to Friday that week so that I could stay up with everybody and see the music video and listen to the album with everyone. And I decided that even though I was at home, I wanted to listen with my AirPods so that I could like really immerse myself in the music. And just the instance I heard I Just Want to Be Happier in Blue and Gray, it was an absolute sob fest, like all the way until the end when Tay said goodnight. And then I just felt so unbelievably comforted by that. Like I could rest and everything would be okay. And I just feel like this whole album is BTS not only telling us things will get better and will be okay, but just telling us that they know how we feel. They're sad and disappointed in this year too, and it sucks so bad. But at the end of the day, we have them and they have us, and that's a bond that just can't be broken. And that thought is so incredibly comforting in these times. Like the lyric, you know, wherever you are, I know you'll always stay. The faith that they have in us and vice versa is just unlike anything I've ever experienced before. And I'm just so proud to be an ARMY and that I had them an ARMY during this horrible time. And even like the pandemic aside, like just the fact that BTS struggle with things in the same way we do is just so comforting. Like I feel like I have so much anxiety about things and depression and all of these issues, and just like knowing that somebody that I love and care about so much like truly understands and would care and cares, you know, that that's happening to me as well, is just like a comfort that I just can't even explain. Whew, okay. Anyways, on a lighter note, as of right now, I feel like Disease is probably my favorite song in the album. Like, I just cannot get enough of it, and I really cannot wait to hear and see all of these songs performed live and in person. I have faith. I'm being optimistic that we are going to get that because I need it. So here is a look at the final spread. So like I said, it is a lot of writing, but I'm really glad that I gave myself the space to really write about all of my feelings involving this album, because I think one day it will be really fun to look back on that. So yeah, but I also really love the collage I did in the middle. I feel like it's very clean and like pretty, but doesn't take away from everything else. So yeah, if you like this spread and you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your favorite track from B is, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!